Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and welcome to this class. This class is going to be for sixth grade. So let's start. Remember, this class it's a listening class. So we are gonna have a listening class. So don't forget, this video is for sixth grade, and we're gonna have a listening class. Remember, we're going to study page 85. Okay, so don't forget, we're going to study page 85, listening class, and today it's August 4th. Today is August 4th, 2020. Okay, don't forget that listening class. Okay. Uh, I just want is that we're gonna have several classes, but listening is one of the most important classes, okay? For you, pay attention to this class. So let's go to the class. Come on, let's go. And before that, remember that for you, it's very important you listen in your house, listen music, especially the song that you're gonna learn today. I mean, remember you have to learn the song yesterday. Okay, so I want as you listen the song yesterday, and after that we are gonna go to the page. Listen the song yesterday. Yes. So yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. So my idea is that you listen and memorize all the words. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words. So yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away. That's what I need. I need to memorize the song. Now it looks as though they're here to stay, or I believe in yesterday. Notice this. This is what I need. I need this you memorize. My suggestion is every day you can memorize one phrase. Let me explain to you in Spanish. La idea es que todos los días se memorice como una frasecita. Entonces, la frasecita anterior empezaba la canción. Este sería el lunes. Por ejemplo, el lunes nos memorizamos Yesterday all my troubles seem so far away. Entonces, la idea sería repetirlo varias veces. Yesterday all my troubles seem so far away. Yesterday all my troubles seem so far away. On Tuesday, el martes, entonces el martes nos aprendemos la otra. Now it looks as though notice this, they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Entonces, la parte más complicada aquí pronto puede ser esta. There, now it looks as though they here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Okay, so that's what I need you to do it. Okay, you practice in your house every day, every moment. Oh, I believe in yesterday. So, okay, now stop. So now let's go for the reading class. So in your house, you practice listening, okay? And now let's go. Let's go for the class. Let's go for having the class. So in your case, hold on one moment. Yes. Come on, let's go here now. So here, what I need, of course, we're gonna do this vocabulary. It's gonna be another classes that we're gonna have changing room, scuba diving, shower, surfboard, surfing, and wet street. This is different where we're gonna have class. Today, what we're gonna study is listening, asking for directions. So in this listening, notice this. You're gonna do these two activities, 1 and 2. Listen and write where the visitors want to go. You need to know. Attention. Vamos a hacer solamente la parte de listening, el ejercicio de listening. ¿Ok? Vamos a escuchar. Vamos a hacer dos ejercicios. 1 and 2. So let's go. Listen and write. So this is a conversation. This is a conversation between a narrator and visitor. Okay? So let's go. Visitor 1. Hello, can I help you? Local. Of course. Visitor, how do I get to the Pondy Park from the car park, please? Local. Turn left at the entrance on the Campbell Paradise. Go straight 3 blocks and turn left. Continue walking to find the beach. Visitor 1. Thank you. Local. No problem. Now let's go another B. B. Narrator B. Or narrator 2. Visitor 2. Hello, can I help you? Local. Certainly. Visitor 2. I have this map. How do I get to the community cultural center? Local. Okay, we're here in Brandy Pavilion. Turn right at the entrance. Go straight and turn right on the corner. The entrance to the Community Culture Center is in the middle. Visitor, thanks a lot. Local, not problem. So narrator C or 3. Local. Bandy Dance Company, visitor 3. Hello, can I help you? Local, sure. Yes, visitor. How do I get there? I'm on Campbell Paradise outside the car park. Local, that's easy. Go straight and go past Bundy Park, cross the street, and you can find us. Visitor 3. Thank you. And local, that's fine. So listen and write where the visitors want to go. One more time. Pay attention. Visitor 1. Visitor 1. Hello, can you help me? Yes, of course. Visitor 1. How do I get to the Pondy Park from the car park, please? Local. Turn to the entrance of Campbell Paradise. Go straight 3 blocks and turn left. Continue walking to find the beach. Visitor 1, thank you. And local, no problem. Let's go visitor 2 or B in that case. So we have A, now let's go visitor B. B. Hello, can you help me please? Certainly. I have this map. How do I get to the community culture center? Listen. Repeat B. Hello, can you help me please? Certainly, yes, certainly. I have this map. How do I get to the community cultural center? Local. Okay, we are here in Pandi Pavilion. Turn right at the entrance and go straight and turn right on the corner. The entrance of the community culture center is in the middle. All right, good. Let's go to C, narrator C. Hello, can you help me, please? Sure. How do I get there? I'm in Capville Paradise outside the car park. Local. That's easy. Go straight and go to the Pondy Park, cross the street, and you can find us. Thank you. That's okay. That's fine. All right. So according to this listening, you are going to complete here. Okay. Now let's go to B. Listen again and underline the correct options. So you have visitor 1A. You have to choose left or right at the entrance or cap building. Okay, let's go. Visitor A here. Hello, can you help me, please? Of course. How do I get to the Bondi Park? Bondi Park from the car park, please. You turn left at the entrance of Camber Paradise. Repeat, turn left at the entrance of Camber Paradise. Go straight 3 blocks and turn left. Continue walking to find the beach. Right? Very good. And Paradise, go straight of walk 3 blocks. Repeat number 1. Narrator, hello, can you help me? Yes, of course. How do I get to the Ponte Park from the car park, please? Turn the entrance cover, turn left at the entrance of Capitol Paradise. Go straight 3 blocks, go straight 3 blocks and turn left. So you go straight or 3 or 5 blocks. You see? So number 1 is left. Number 2 is go straight. Esto es como ir derecho, derecho sin voltear ningún lado. Continue walking or find the beach. So B, let's go. You need to choose one. Car park or entrance. One of them. B, let's go to narrator B. Can you help me, please? And I have this map. How do I get to the community culture center? Okay, we are here in Bondi Pavilion. Turn right at the entrance. Turn right at the entrance. So you turn right or right. Turn right at the entrance and turn right on the corner. Then the entrance to the community culture center is in the middle. Okay? And finally, we go to this. Use straight or past. Go straight or past. One of them. Go straight or past. Let's go. So number 3 is, hello, can you help me? Sure. How do I get there? I am on Campbell Paradise outside the car park. That's easy. Go straight and go past Pondy Park. Cross the street and you can find us. That is the end. So I hope so you understand this listening. It's not complicated. If you can't, just what you need to do is pause and come back, return, or reward the video, and then you can listen and understand this listening. Okay? So I hope so you enjoy the class and you can do it in your house. Listening is very important. Bye bye. So this is teacher Jacob. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you. See you. See you around. Bye bye.